Boom. What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Channel KPTZ Photo Booth. Luther, owner of. Hold on. Damn it. One day I'm gonna get this right with sharing the screen. Infinity screen. Okay. Hold on. Boom. KPTZphotobooth.com. We are located in San Diego, California. We have a school group here that we do these live chats. This is the recording of it. But basically, in today's video, we're going to explain basically this was what the kind of the format that we want to go going forward, how often this is going to be, and what's the value in this as well, where I'm live right here. But let's just get into it. Yeah. So I'm here to teach you how to be a profitable photo booth owner. So if you already have a photo booth system and you're struggling out there and you just want someone to help you out, or if you want to get into the game and you've been very curious and you just need someone in your corner, I'm here for that. So we kind of help you make some extra income with some proven systems that we use. Here's all our page here. If anything that looks like value to you there, I'm your guy. But anyway, let's get to it. So this is KBTZ live chat. Find your ideal customer. That's gonna be our main point of discussion today. But first, let's go down our list. Let's look at our December earnings already. Let's go to HoneyBook. This is the CRM that we choose to use, and there's I think a referral code or something in the description that will get you like 30 to 40% off. It's awesome. But yeah, gross, we're at $7,557.28 currently. So got that done. And what's been going on? Let me tell you. So let's go back here. I remember to unshare my screen. December has been wild. It was not slow. I think we had, 10 confirmed December events. But then, boom, December 2nd happened, and then leads start shooting in because our position in Google is like, let's see here, KBCZ photo booth. Let's see. Boom, 120 reviews, 5-star rating. So got a lot of leads from Google, a lot of leads from some last minute event planners for holiday parties and everything. So that just came in where God, on the 6th is insane. I'm recording this. This is the 4th. It's December 4th today. Man, it is crazy. We've had like 11 extra bookings come in and under what is that? No, under 72 hours. So it's been a rush. Hopefully you're feeling the same. Hopefully you're ready. Hopefully you got your COIs, your LLC set up, your insurance, so you can accept these corporate clients. But that's what we've been dealing with, and it's been very awesome, very awesome. So yeah, we are there. That's what's been going on. Just dealing with that rush, and now it's time to fulfill promises. The phone did not ring today at all. No, yes, it did. We got one booked this morning, and it did not ring after that. So we made a quick, I think, $400 for a photo booth drop off. So we're just gonna drop it off, leave, let them do their thing. We're actually going to a print event after that. So I was like, "Hey, can we drop it off early?" And she's like, "Well, I get to keep it longer." I was like, "Hell yeah, you're helping me out and everything." So we got that planned this morning, but now it's time to just fulfill promises. But let's get back to this. So the theme of this thing is find your ideal customer or your consumer, your ideal avatar. And let's talk about this live chat format before I go into it. I'm probably just going to start like this. I'm going to rant main topic here, which is find your ideal customer avatar. Who are you actually selling to? And then we'll open it up to Q&A, especially when the membership grows. Like I said, it's $99 a month here, and I'll teach you, I promise you, I will teach you how to be a profitable photo booth owner, and you'll be shocked how easy business and fun it is when you have someone in your corner. Okay, but I can't accept everyone, so that's why there's a price tag on there, and I promise you, it'll be so fun. But so I will rant, talk about this main topic that I have here, then we'll open up for Q and A's, and then shoot the shit. We'll talk about whatever problems someone's having and try to get some great, quality sound advice there. And then I have a closing statement. So let's go to the main topic right here. Okay, man. You need to find oh my god, I did not share my damn screen. This is hilarious. Okay. Anyway, what everything that I just said, look, this is a price. Boom. That's what we do. Here's the main topic. Find your ideal customer. I'm going to this is the format, rant about that for a while, opening up the Q&A. We're accepting members, obviously. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. $99 a month. I swear I'll make you that money back fast. And then, but you got to work. And then we'll have a closing statement. Okay. And did I? And if I messed up again here, here's our gross revenue currently for December. Okay, website. All right, I'm just gonna keep that. No, no, no. I'll remember. I won't remember. Okay, so back to it. Okay, so you need to find your ideal customer, and this is so important because when you get into business really early, you're like, guys, this guy's been talking for like how, and now he gives us the shit. Yeah. So when you've been in business really early, you get excited because you start thinking about everything. You're like, well, everyone has birthday parties. Everyone like there's a retirement. How many weeks? How many people are retiring a week? Right. There's always a community event. There's always a function. Or there's always this there's so many things happening. And my advice to you is to pick one of those things that are booking you the most and just focus on that thing. Like, if you're doing quinceañeras and you're getting like, if you look at your history, you have your CRM, right? HoneyBook. It tells us we say drop offs, wedding, corporates, blah blah blah, festivals. We have lead forms that will set that we can look at the data and be like, okay, how many weddings did we do? Like we did, I think 19 weddings, but this is our first year of business. 19 weddings, a ton of corporate events as well, but we did like so many like community events, like drop offs, fun little things like that. So we did a ton of those. But it's so spread out, and I remember going around being like, why isn't my photo booth here? I need to get in this. I need to get in here. I'm trying to spread myself so thin. I'm trying to be the photo booth owner, a photo booth, delivery person or operator for, sporting events, for retirement parties, for corporate events, for quinceañeras, for weddings, for whatever other different category it is, 5Ks, 10Ks, big activations like that. My advice is to you is just to pick one or two. Like, we really like how weddings are structured, how the time is, like, it's very structured. There's no, like, once, like, the details are set in stone, yes, you can have your, "Oh, by the way, we want the photo booth here," but it's fine. But usually the venue is secured months in advance. Like, it's always in a nice area in town, think about that. Like, you kinda wanna go see the wedding in a sense, how pretty it is. So, we really focus on weddings, and we are gonna advertise, I'm talking strongly, to just only weddings and corporate clients in 2026. And what that does is just gives you focus. Like, I used to drive around, like I said, and being like, "Oh, why can't I get here? Oh, we should go in this bar and talk to this owner and see if we can do a photo booth drop off there." And then you realize that, you think I guess the price range or like their what they should be able to afford, you think it's much higher, but it's not because their margins is this and they're looking just for this. And then it becomes like this game of like in kind and just offering it and whatever. So if you're comfortable taking what 300 and below, maybe a bar activation, and some bars like I'm just saying in our experience, like 350 is high for a bar to pay for your photo booth to get there. Oh, I hope I'm just rambling here. So you got to be careful with that. Where we like our activations to be like 500 and above. So that's my advice to you. Find your ideal customer because I swear it will turn. Because when you're trying, when just think about this. Just think about it. Let's say, like your offer is the dart and your avatar is the dartboard, right? So every time you throw, what do you want to hit? A bullseye. So what if you just looked at what is your bullseye and like ideal avatar? Like what do you like? like doing more, like with the design and everything? What's easier? What do you have like a template for? Or like when someone books you and is like, oh, this is this, like, oh, I got this. Like I know what weddings like, I know what like quinceañeras like, I know what high school reunions or high school proms like. Think about it like that because you don't understand, like, especially if you're in a city like San Diego, how many weddings happen a year? Think about that. How many birthday parties if you're just doing birthday parties? If you just look and market to you're gonna have the best photo booth birthday party you have, and you don't go out anywhere else because everything else will come to you. Because who goes to a birthday party? People that are gonna do this and do that, and they're gonna get your information. But I'm telling you, yes, serve those clients, but advertise to one avatar or few, not all. Don't just say, I have the best photo booth for this, this, and this, and this, and this, and this. Too many options. I have the best wedding photo booth, the best corporate photo booth, the best brand activation photo booth, the best birthday party photo booth, the best photo booth for quinceañeras, blah, blah, blah. Oh, I didn't turn the light on. But yeah, so do that. I'm telling you, then your marketing gets in line. You have one direct message. You don't get confused and you just keep hammering and pressing that button. And then once you understand that your offer is a dart, and once you throw it and you only have one avatar that you know when it lands, you can charge this amount of money and it's always going to hit because you're going to find them because you're targeting them and everything. And you're fulfilling what they want. That's the most important part. You're fulfilling what they want. Then it just becomes rinse and repeat and just don't change it or just evolve a little bit. But yeah, that's my advice today. KBTZ, Luther, find your avatar. So what did we do? We talked about December gross revenue. What's been going on with December? It's been crazy. Hopefully, it's been crazy for you guys as well. I'm going to end this live chat and post it on YouTube. But that's the live chat format. We're going to go rant. If someone was here, which I don't think there is, nope, just me. Boom, boom. Oh, I'm not sharing my screen again. I'm the worst. Yeah. So just me here, but imagine if you were just here, we had that rant, open it up to the room, and then next you know, you start telling me about like some lead problems, what's been going on, how you can get some more events. You're curious about us. This is what I'm here for. And also, like I said, if you want to be in this group, it's just $99 a month. Yeah, you get mentorship. This is not a course. I will develop a course for you, but I'm going to be very active in here because I want to help you succeed. Because if you succeed, I succeed. That's, community over competition. You're gonna get some design training, some drop offs, some 360 photo booth contracts. I can probably write that a little better. Help with pricing your service. Obviously, I'm in San Diego, California. I maybe can price more than someone that lives out in like, I don't know, some small town in Nebraska. But we can find your pricing structure. That's going to definitely suit you. And you just have to do the math. Is it worth it? And a big thing about this is hotline support. So you jump in here, boom, boom, boom. You get a number, not a number for hotline support. So if you know how to use an iPhone, you can FaceTime. Something's going on at your event, hit me up, flip the camera over. I can coach you through it. I do it with operators all the time. And our CRM, I'll give you some training with that. Okay, I think that's everything. Again, find your ideal avatar. We like weddings and corporate events, and like big festivals. We have those three, and we're gonna market heavily only to one, which is weddings in 2026. December's been crazy. That's a closing statement. Get out there, get that booth working. And remember, if your booth is in a corner and it's not been booked, do not get frustrated. You find somewhere to put it for free because if it's not working, how do you expect it to work? Alrighty.